So welcome to another video featuring the round type Garcia bait casting reels. Today we are going to focus on the brake systems. I have three different variations of brakes here. I have a 5500 CS Pro Rocket with 6 brake blocks. I have a UC 4600 with a 4 block system. And I have a 6500 CS Rocket with a 2 block system. I want to get into some detail about the brake system itself, how to turn the brake blocks on or off, and also touch lightly on the benefits of using the brake blocks. So I'm going to clear the clutter and we're going to go over them one at a time. We'll start with the 5500 CS Pro Rocket. So this is a 6 block system. This block and this one are engaged. The other 4 are locked. This block will move in and out when you're casting and apply brake pressure. These will not. These are all 4 locked. What I like about this particular system is you have a lot of choices. You can unlock 2, unlock 4, unlock 6. My suggestion would be is if you unlock 2, do them opposite each other. If you do 4, again, 2 other blocks that are opposite. I'm going to go ahead and disengage one of these other blocks to show you how it works. Basically, you just take a little screwdriver and push it out. And now you'll see this block moving back and forth. If you want to lock it back into position, you just take the screwdriver, push it back in. Now it's locked. If I want to lock these other 2 brakes, push it in, you hear it snap. Push that in. All these brakes are disengaged. So moving on to the Ultracast 4600. This is a 4 block system. I have these 2 blocks completely removed. I have these 2 blocks engaged. You can see that they are moving back and forth. This reel comes with 4 blocks. I've just removed 2 of them. To lock these brakes into place, this is a little bit different. You have to remove the block off the post. Not sure if you can see it, but there's a little notch right in the end of the block. To lock this into position, you turn it around and reinsert it on the post. When you push it in, you hear it snap, and now it's in a locked position. So if I wanted to turn this one off, I would pull it off, spin it around 180 degrees and push it back on, and it would lock into position. These blocks are on the 6500 CS Pro Rocket. These are small tube type blocks. Basically, they just slide on and off the post. If I want to turn this off, I literally have to remove it and leave it outside of the reel. So if I slide that off, that basically turns that brake off and I'll leave it out. If I want to put it back in, it's automatically going to be engaged. So just for fun, I have a 5500C. It's a older model Abu. I'm going to go ahead and touch on the brake system on this particular reel as well. So the 5500C is basically the same setup as the 6500 CS Pro Rocket. This is a 2 block system. I only have 1 brake on at the time. The other one is left off. If you want to disengage it, it's the same deal as the 5500. You just slide it off the post. If you want to re-engage it, you simply just put it back in. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up. Hope you got something out of this. Hope you learned something. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. As always, feel free to like, subscribe, comment, and ring the bell. See you next time.